Here is the truth. So, machines don't learn like we do. They don't dream, reflect, or understand. They adjust. AI takes in data, measures how wrong it was, then tweaks billions of numbers called weights. Over time, it gets better at prediction, not comprehension, just calibration. That's the learning machine. I explain the full pipeline in Human V4. First 100 readers get 50% off premium collectibles. So, link below. If interested, check out. Think about your last AI prompt. Did it guide the model clearly? Did you assign a role or break down reasoning? Or did you just hope for the best? So, rewrite it using symbolic principles and watch the difference. In Human V4, I give you the full toolkit. So, first 100 readers 50% off. Link below and comment your rewrite. Think of AI like a karaoke singer. It knows every song ever written. It hits the notes, mimics even the emotion, and it sounds convincing, but it doesn't even understand the lyrics. That's what large language models do. Perform patterns without meaning. Don't confuse performance with comprehension. So I explain the difference in Human V4. So first 100 copies are half price and link below. When ChatGPT says, let's think step by step, it's not actually thinking. That reasoning style is engineered into the prompt. It's mimicry of logic. So it's not like comprehension, and humans reason with beliefs, goals, and awareness. But machines, they just map input to the output. Understanding the difference is the survival literacy. I laid down in Human V4. First 100 readers get 50% off. If a machine gives you the perfect answer, but it doesn't know it gave you, so will you consider that as an intelligence? So, would you trust it to teach your child? So, think about it. And in Human V4, so I explore why all these questions matter. First 100 readers will get 50% off and link below. What's your take? Comment it. So here is a cheat code from Human V4. Large language models don't even think. They just compute patterns. So if the pattern looks like reasoning, we are fooled, not the machine. That's why they can ace tests, but they fail at basic logic. So want to see the bigger picture? So first 100 copies of Human V4 are half price and link below. ChatGPT sounds smart because it can draft essays, write poems, even solve problems step by step. But here is the truth, it doesn't even know what it's trying to say. Like, it's not reasoning, it's just predicting the next likely word. So, like an actor, how he will be delivering lines fluent and convincing but without meaning. That's cognition without consciousness, and I explain it fully in Human V4. First 100 readers get 50% off and link below. If an AI diagnoses rare diseases better than a doctor, is it more intelligent or is it just better trained? So, where do you draw the line between the intelligence, simulation, and trust? So, that's the kind of question I tackle in Human V4. And for the first 100 readers, so it's 50% off. So, link below and what's your answer and comment it. So here is a cheat code from Human V4. Artificial neurons don't think, they just compute. See, the brain builds meaning from life, but the model maps the pattern from the data it has been trained on. So never confuse the predictions with perceptions. For the full map of these differences, grab Human V4. So first 100 copies are half price and link below.